These are a pair of wireless earbuds for kids, and it is by AMAFACE. So talk time up to 5 hours, music play up to 5 hours, auto pairing. So the real sell on these is how adorable they are. Let me show you. It's a little cat face. So the battery is charged, the little eyeballs light up. Super, super cute. Look at that. And then that's what the earbuds look like. So you remove this part, and then it comes with its own little charging case. So cute. They're high quality, it's a nice case, it's just so adorable. It comes with a little instruction manual in the bottom, it comes with a charging cable. So definitely recommend if you have a cat lover, it's a great gift, and they're super, super cute. Wireless earbuds.